Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's session, I'll walk you through a powerful real-world multi-cloud architecture that connects with AWS, Azure and GCP. So all powered by AI automation and centralized identity management. As you can see the architecture diagram, right? So this diagram, which will be talking about how the identity and access management will be managed in a centralized way. If your organization is struggling with uh, to manage all three cloud with the complex IAM setups or a slow integration between the platform, this video is exactly what you need. So when we will talk about to set up a IAM all three cloud and how we'll manage in a centralized way, but if you could bring all your cloud platform together, if you have a plan, then this video is for you to manage a single centralized platform in a secure way with AI enhanced system to integrate with whole system, right? So at this core of this setup is identity to set up with all three cloud. When we build a single sign-on system that lets user from your on-premises AD or Azure AD or maybe Google Workspace, how securely user will log in to get the access to able to use the resource all three platform like AWS, Azure and GCP. No matter which cloud you are, but how you will manage all these things, right? But you don't need to manage three different IAM separately. If we sync up all these within one platform, so you can able to access in a centralized way. So in this architecture, it's not just a secure, it's we have integrated the AI system so that AI will help you to how we will manage multi-cloud environment to properly and securely. It's a smart, as you can say, it's a smarter way to manage identity. So if we use AI to optimize a cloud operation, or if you use AI to optimize our IAM policy to get a recommendation, suppose you have got a overprivilege, then how AI will help you to detect and track that this access is not required for you as for your role and responsibility. That we can quickly find out. And for example, the workload will AI will analyze the workload also to reduce the compute and storage cost as well. For example, you have set up a compute engine, but as for your workload that is not required to take a high CPU memory and all that as for the size, then AI will help you to recommend that these are the perfect size. It will be helpful for your workload, right? And we can save at least up to 30% of cost if we integrate our AI. But if we talk about the GCP environment, so we are managing in a granular way identity access management. Every in the organization structure, we have an organization, we have a folder, we have a project, and all the resource resides under the project. So the granular access, so you can enforce all these IAM role and responsibility in the top-down approach, and that IAM policy and IAM role as for your responsibility will be getting, as I already mentioned in this high-level architecture. But this kind of architecture, if I build for the enterprise, so really enterprise is looking for this kind of solution nowadays to manage a multi-cloud environment, to how will scale, how will secure, and how will simplify in a in a proper way in this hybrid and multi-cloud platform. So this is the one way which you can set up, and how which you can set up a single sign-on with the third-party identity provider, or you can use Google identity provider, you can use Google Workspace, you can use Azure as per your business need or business requirement. So one of the most important thing, as you can see here, the multi-factor authentication. So this is very important. So multi-factor authentication, which help you to whether you are the valid authenticated user or not. So every business they are also integrated with multi-factor authentication. So here in this architecture also I have mentioned, right? So I hope you got the overview about this multi-cloud and then centralized IAM management, along with the how you'll manage all these things, right? So if this something your organization is needs, so feel free to connect with me. I'll be happy to help you to design and implement it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this valuable. So looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.